Hello everybody, and welcome back to our channel. We are Surge Game Studios, and we'd like to introduce our first game, Impending Dupe. In the past, if you want to know a little bit about what this game is about, you can check out our first devlog. But as of now, I just wanted to jump into the second devlog, and I'll go into a little bit about the game a little bit later. Basically, we moved on from the quests. They update properly. They load to my knowledge. Of course, as I said in the past video, I do want to check these out and actually test these pretty extensively from title screen to the first map. But I won't be able to do that until we actually get the slideshow working for like the beginning montage. So now we've run into a tiny bit of an issue, and that is quests actually work. They do good. They complete. Your choices save and they matter. We'll have to figure out how the actual implications in affecting the whole world, like physically and visually, later on when we're able to test from the title screen to the second map. But with that being said, basically the struggle that I'm having now is the waypoints. They're updating, but you have to keep tracking them for them to show up on screen. So like you'll hit a waypoint, the waypoint will get done, and then it'll clear, and then you have to press track again to see the next waypoint. Now, I kind of have an idea of how to fix this, and I'm pretty sure I'm just going to have something that updates and shows the waypoint at each update. So whenever you update the quest, it immediately shows the waypoint again. So that's pretty much how I think I'm going to fix that. Now, just in case if you didn't see the last video, a little bit about our game is basically with the short theme of what do you put value in? Now, it looks different for everybody. It could be family, it could be monetary, it could be a whole bunch of things. And basically, with this game, we kind of evolved off of that and made the whole game about value. So, depending on who you talk to, values change. And depending on where you go, values change. And the gameplay loop is kind of going to look like you're going to trade, you're going to farm, you're going to trade again, or you can trade, you can build up materials, you can then gamble those materials, build up more materials, go to the casino, gamble, and like make your way rise up to fame. And the reason why I separated gambling and casino is because there is going to be a casino, but there's also something what we call back alley dice. And with back alley dice, you're wagering items, where in the casino you're wagering chips, and then those chips add up to value, and then you trade in those chips for different items, so on and so forth. That's basically the gist of the functions of the gameplay of what you're going to be doing. With that said, though, this is an open world RPG. There will be quests. Your choices do matter. At least I hope they do when this game comes out. They should matter a lot. And yeah, the world should change around you. That's pretty much the basis of the game, how it's going to work, how it's going to play. Wish me luck. I really want to get this out as fast as possible and show you guys all of our hard work that we've been literally putting our blood, sweat, and tears into. But if this kind of thing interests you, please leave a comment below. Literally any question you have about the game. We will answer as much as humanly possible. We might even make videos about it, make more content based around those questions instead of just putting them up there. And maybe it's something that people aren't exactly interested in. So yeah, leave them in the comments below. Please follow us to stay in tune with our journey, and hopefully we can get out a demo for you guys soon so you can actually play the game and see our work firsthand.